Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Dot Exchange. Yesterday, US markets, it was very bad. S&P 500 and Nasdaq has fallen, though Dow managed to close slightly positive. It was very volatile. So it came down, then went up. I think in the last half an hour, 1 hour, again it was crashing down. Most Asian markets are down. Not even most, but I think all Asian markets are down. But however, there was something very unusual. Today morning, GIFT Nifty started, it shot up nearly 100 points. So yesterday, FII sold 6,200 crores. That is one of the highest selling in February. Asian markets all down. US market, S&P 500 and Nasdaq are down. Then there is no reason for GIFT Nifty to move 100 point higher from day's low from the opening. However, that has been sold into, now it is trading about 10-15 point lower than where it closed in India yesterday. So probably, people may think they sold in India in order to invest in other markets. Now all other markets are down. So probably they are booking profits in other markets to come to India. And also Citigroup has upgraded India. And now they're saying this year target for Nifty is 26,000. But all these foreign brokerages statement, we have to take with a pinch of salt. So sometimes, these people may give some positive talk so that the market, it does not fall or it goes up so that their own clients can exit. So, I do not trust foreign brokerages. I don't trust the local brokerages also. That's also a different story. But overall, so these people who have got, may have some ulterior motives behind all these statements. So when everything is looking bearish, so they're revising they're upgrading without any positive news. And we have seen here, every positive news is being used as an opportunity to sell. So at least if market is stabilizing, so that is something good for us. Your market cannot keep on falling like this. I think some technical bounce may be required for our market. So otherwise the fall can be very, very severe. So looking at the open interest, as I always say, if you can remember for the last few weeks, too many times, and Nifty took support around 22,800. So though 3 times Nifty broke 22,800, but it did not close above 22,800. So the first time last Friday, Nifty closed below 22,800. The next day again it has fallen. So in the last cycle, 22,800 was a very good support. I think that support was tested 7-8 times, I think. And then once that is broken, the market has fallen decisively below that. So that support becomes the resistance now. So therefore, 22,800 is going to be a good resistance. So that's why if you see yesterday, it's a huge addition of open interest at 22,800 call. In fact, even 22,600, 700 calls also have been added in huge open interest. But that may be because of people who are firefighting. Those who sold put option like 23,000 or 22,800. So just to manage that position, they are selling. But otherwise, 22,800 will be a good resistance. So now on the way up, first resistance 22,800. Second one is 23,300. But now that may change because market has fallen. The recent high is that 23,800 and the recent low is, let us say, 22,500. So that means a 50% Fibonacci retracement will not be 23,300, it will be 23,150. Then 100% retracement is 23,800. So on the way up, the first three resistances 22,800, 23,150, and 23,800. So the probability of our market recovering is very, very low unless government does something very big. So that is what I've been saying since the last week of January. Small things, is not going to have any impact. And then those small things will be used as an opportunity to, sell into this market. And also, there might be something going on between government and FIAs. There might be some demands from FIAs. Behind the curtain discussion might be going on. I think they are not happy overall with Indian policies. Otherwise, there is no reason to sell so much. So do not believe when people say, 2020 market fell recovered, 22 market fell recovered, and all those times markets fell for a reason. So this time markets are not falling for any reason. So markets are falling by their own weight. So anyway, we will see today. Uh, like yesterday's low must be watched very keenly. So if yesterday's low is broken, again the market will become even more bearish. So keep watching for the index heavyweights. So HDFC Bank, I think it managed to close positive in US, IT stocks. So when the US is in trouble, IT stocks will be in focus. So I think now IT stock was the best performer in this downturn. But now they also started falling. So when the most resilient index is falling, so we can say the downside is limited now. So this may be the last leg of the correction, so that we can assume. So which means that maybe another few hundred points market can fall, but 22,000 should be a very good support even for next month. So those things we will discuss later. So for today, 22,500 to 22,800 should be the range. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.